Good evening, everyone. George here at EminiPicks.com. Monday, July 25th. End of day. Didn't get a chance to make a video earlier today. Just wanted to make a video and post it up of today's trading. Basically, we're looking here at intraday 3000 tick E-mini S&P. And show you a little bit of what we did today and how our daily levels actually got almost to the point and almost to the tick of how we call the levels and why they work and the type of markets that they're in and why the levels are so strong. Basically, let's go back here and look. Let me bring my toolbar up. Just so I can make some reference points. We're going to do a horizontal line here on 26, and then we're going to do another horizontal line here at 41. I'll just do it right there, just 40 and a half, just to show you what levels we're talking about. If you see, we'll actually do another one here at 37. Basically, I'm going to bring this into the picture here. This is basically yesterday's levels worksheet, July 25th. Basically, what I said here on the 26 level, building pre-market, good fade on retest, so it'll be retested. Also at the 41 level, good fade of reach, which was the pivot point, yesterday's close, weekly low. So there were some battles, probably touched and then back down. There were some battles here, S1, but basically the key ones that we were going to be talking about that we hit some trades on were this 26 level and the 40 level. So I'll get this out of the way. And let's go look at our chart. First thing we see is early in the morning, pre-market builds up here, comes down and touches that 26 level. And again, those numbers aren't fixed. You know, it's a range. It's a 1.5 point range. So it came down close enough to touch that range, went back up. Market saw some supply coming in here at the 30 and a half range, which the 31 and a half was somewhere I said to watch the battles, and then come back down. And remember I said on the 26 level, building pre-market, good fade on retest. Well, here's the retest. So it retested this level. This was and plus we got an ESP long signal from our ESP signals indicator. So once it confirmed up here, we were in. So basically the confluence, and let me show you one other thing. Our GVAL rate, which is another indicator, custom indicator we use here at EminiPicks.com. Notice the divergence. Here it made a low here, low here. When it came back down on the retest, look at the divergence that it made. Look how much higher this low is. So that means there's less supply, more demand coming in up here. And the sort of momentum or steam is no longer there. Plus the ESP long signal, and then we got a long bar down here of exhaustion, a lot of selling and buying coming in to stop. All the buying was sucking up all the supply, even though there was a lot of supply. The market went right up. Again, we saw this developing here. We got this bar right here. We got the ESP long forming. When this bar closed above here, we got in. We actually got in here at 29, and we rode this to 31. So 2 point, we never took any heat except for right here, intra bar. It never went below the initial signal bar, so we never took that much heat. So 29 to 31 is 8 ticks. So we did 8 ticks on there. We kept on watching the market because remember I said this would be a good fade. and then also the 40 level would be a good fade. We figured the market was going to be in a bracketing zone, so we let this play out. It went up to the north, right up here to the almost 37 range, got some resistance up here, just like I call it on my sheet. Set a lot of potential battles, and as you can tell right here, all these battles, this goes back down, a lot of potential battles. So coming back up here, went almost to 40 and a quarter for the high of the day, and then it started coming back down again. As you can tell, all the way up, coming back down. 26 and 40, two levels that I called. Market's going to stay in this zone, because it's in a bracketing range, if you will. It's probably going to happen again tomorrow. There's going to be news, but this is how a normal day, if there's no longs or no shorts pushing the market, this is the market, how it's going to always play out. It's going to build a channel or a range and perfect trading opportunities to either on the long side get over here on the low side of value, or going short on the upper part of value, get down coming short, because they'll always come back to the mean. Mean would be over here in the 33 range. So that's basically what we did today. We did play another one up here. We got in here just as this bar here, about 38 and a quarter, and we got out only for 6 ticks over here at the, I think, 35 and a half, somewhere over here. So we played a late one right after lunch. So we were able to get 6 ticks here. The reason this didn't play out here is when we're on a long move, not all these ESP signals have triggers, and normally what we do is we play them at key levels. There'll be a lot of misdirection and fake signals. Not really fake, but more signals triggered, but it doesn't mean just because you see a signal you take it, you follow, and you get some other information along with it, like the confluence of the higher high, a key level, and those are indicators that it is a valid signal, and they have to trigger. So we were going to the long on an uptrend. These long ESP signals are when you're coming down and we're hitting an area of support. So I don't have my short signals on this chart, but we did get a short signal over here that triggered, and that's why we were able to get in. And we did take some heat, but we were able to get out. So that's chart for today, Monday, July 25th. Hopefully you're able to get some information on it. Go to our website, EminiPicks.com, and see, sign up for a free daily newsletter, daily levels sheet that we send out every morning pre-market. And these things are called way before the market opens. Well, not way, 15, 20 minutes before, after I see the pre-market set up. But levels work. Levels, if you know how to trade them and you know what to look for, levels are strong, and that's where the major players go. So EminiPicks.com. Go on the website, look at our informational and educational videos, and shoot me an email, george@eminipicks.com, if you have any questions. All right, see ya.